Welcome to the Compounding Channel. I'm Dr. Enrique Alía, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a Minoxidil and Finasteride solution step by step for the treatment of alopecia. The formula we are going to prepare is Minoxidil 5%, Finasteride 0.5%, which is a higher concentration than usual, typically 0.1 or 0.2% in the hydroalcoholic solution, sufficient quantity for 100 milliliters. The excipient of the hydroalcoholic solution will be 15% water, 25% propylene glycol, and 96% alcohol, which will be the main excipient, sufficient quantity for 100 milliliters. In summary, our formula will be Minoxidil 5%, Finasteride 0.5%, purified water 15%, propylene glycol 25%, and 96% alcohol, sufficient quantity for 100 milliliters. We add the propylene glycol to the alcohol and stir until perfectly dissolved. The finely powdered minoxidil is added to the previously prepared solution. Between the propylene glycol and the alcohol, we stir with a magnetic stirrer set to high speed. If necessary, we heat the mixture in a water bath to 50 degrees Celsius. Once the minoxidil is dissolved and at room temperature, that's when we add the finasteride, stirring until perfectly dissolved. We add the water in small portions, stirring until homogeneous. This is what the solution looks like once prepared. Colorless, clear and transparent. We package it in an amber polyethylene bottle. Store at room temperature away from light and moisture.